In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add EMA in Tradingview. The EMA, or Exponential Moving Average, emphasizes recent price action, so it responds faster than a simple moving average. It's a simple way to visualize trend direction and smooth out price noise. Because it gives more weight to the most recent candles, it can make pullbacks and continuations easier to spot, often acting like dynamic support or resistance during trends. Start by opening your chart in Tradingview. Check that you are on the symbol and time frame you want because the EMA calculates from the candles you are viewing. If you are assessing short-term momentum, a lower time frame will show faster signals, while higher time frames provide broader context. At the top of the chart, click the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies button on the main toolbar. This opens the Indicators panel where you can browse or search for built-ins. In the search bar, type EMA or Moving Average Exponential. You'll see a result named Moving Average Exponential under Technicals or Built-ins. Be sure you pick the exponential version, not the plain moving average. If your goal is to use the EMA specifically, click Moving Average Exponential to add it to your chart. A line will appear over your candles using a default length and color, typically overlaying directly on price rather than in a separate pane. Shorter lengths will hug price more closely and react faster. Longer lengths will smooth more and react slower. Now customize it so it fits your plan. Hover over the indicator name in the top left of the chart to reveal its controls. Then click the Settings gear icon. In Inputs, change the length to match your time frame and style. Many traders use 200 to track long-term trends, 50 for intermediate swings, or faster settings like 9 or 21 for short-term momentum. There isn't a single best number. Choose a length that aligns with how quickly you want the EMA to react and the type of moves you care about. Then, in Style, change the color to something that stands out against your background so the line is easy to see at a glance. If your chart is dark, choose a bright color. If it's light, pick a darker shade for clear contrast. When you are done, close the settings window. Your EMA is now active and will update with every new candle. If you switch symbols or time frames, it stays on your chart and recalculates instantly, keeping your view consistent. As a quick usage tip, some traders treat price above the EMA as a bullish bias and below as a bearish bias. Always confirm with your own plan. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.